Hello everyone, Chef Marisa Canizzato here today. We're going to be making Pollo Milanese, which is chicken cutlet. This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that I need: chicken, parsley, parmesan, black pepper, salt, panko, eggs, breadcrumbs, all-purpose flour, corn oil. We're going to be setting up a breading station. The first thing I'm going to do, break my eggs, beat them up well, add your salt, add your pepper, your parsley, and now I'm going to mix up my flour next to my eggs, the panko, breadcrumbs, the grated cheese, and mix it up together. I'm going to begin to bread my chicken, flour, drench them a bit, shake the excess flour, and right into the egg wash. Do the same thing with the egg wash. There we go. Perfect. The oil is perfectly hot. I'm going to drop the cutlet and going to cook a couple of minutes on each side. This whole final product, chicken Milanese. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next dish, and bon appetit.